Okay, starting with Euro New Zealand, the trade opportunity on this pair to the long side is over. That is why we have stops. From the 1 hour divergence, there was no clear entry point. Looking at the 4 hour, it was leaning over and no trade to take in that. And if there was a trade, small stops are where it's at. But in this case, I have to stand back and reformulate. I was talking to someone privately about this, and there is a bearish count on this actually that I could put in. But for now, I'm going to look at this as simply a correction just with the broken trend line. So I'm still going to view it as looking for an A wave low at some point, but the long trades in this are over. So I'll see what happens over the next few days. I'll keep an eye on this, but because it's broken the trend support and there's no clear entry point now, and well, there's still a touch of divergence, but I'll see what happens in here. There's no immediate term trade like before in any case. So that is over. Aussie New Zealand, I still like the idea of another leg up in this. We are still riding support on the longer term chart. And on the daily, on the 1 hour, either one, this is obviously 3 waves here, and it did work out. So far, what we're looking at here is the possibility still of another move up. It may happen or it may not. I mean, I am viewing this as 3. It could, however, be A. We may get a B wave low into here and one more move up. That's just speculation now, but in any case, the bounce so far is corrective. So it's still looking, in the long-term picture, it's still looking like it will probably end up breaking this trend support, coming down, making a Z wave low, and then maybe the up move can finally begin. But in any case, it's broken trend support for now, and I will be cautious and looking for a B wave. I'm not trading this to the short side right now. Not at support level here, because I think it's still open to another leg up. Now, US Canadian dollar, I still think this looks good for another leg up. There's Canadian news tomorrow, as usual, on Friday. And it's looking rather flaggy here for another leg up. So I am on watch here for a bullish entry opportunity. What I wanted to say about this is that the count here, right, it's too big now, in my opinion, for one more low for 5. If you want to call this 5 waves into here, the way I would probably look at it is 1 and 2 as stated, and then for wave 3, something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for wave 3, and then wave 4, wave 5. That would be a kind of forced count. Wave 2 and wave 4 are quite different in size, and really this move overall looks more like one sweep. So that's kind of a force count 4, 5 down. So what I'm looking for at the moment, I think this is too big now for another low. So I'm looking at this as a corrective wave from a move higher, and it's looking like it's flagging. It's kind of very choppy here. So see what happens into news tomorrow and look for a buy in this pair now. And gold sold off in news today. Let's see if we can find support there on the breakout. And no change on Aussie US dollar, still looking bullish. I was actually thinking last night that it is possible on the bigger picture on this, it is possible to view this as a bullish triangle even. I mean, I was viewing this boxed segment here as an impulse. But if it does move up here, there are a number of ways to count it. One way is that we have an impulsive wave here, and then something like a B wave triangle, which could be A, B, C, D, E for a triangle, and then a move up. In any case, it's not looking like it wants to stop just now. The little daily hanging man there is tiny. It would really need a powerful follow through to sell off from that. And at first glance there, I wouldn't expect it to happen, but let's see. what emerges. Okay, I'll leave it there. So tomorrow I'm going to be looking for longs in the US Canadian dollar and see if Aussie New Zealand offers a basing opportunity for a B wave low, either tomorrow or into Monday. And I'll make a weekend video on Saturday probably. All right, bye-bye.